Avoid watching a show called Going Public. The show is now in its third season and can be viewed on X for the final episode, which is supposed to be on June 24th. In my opinion, the show is very dangerous because the reality show is about entrepreneurs doing some crazy things to raise money for different types of startup businesses. It appears to be a little bit more about entertainment and excitement rather than looking at the truth and fundamentals of investing. But since X is a social media company, well, they do not have to comply with normal media broadcast disclosures. What is even more dangerous about the show is that there will be a click to invest button where viewers can invest in the business as they're watching the show. This is just crazy to me. I can't believe they can do this. But again, no regulations on social media companies. I don't see how anything, I really don't, can be any more dangerous when it comes to investing than seeing the hype of somebody talk about their investment who has paid handsomely to be on the show. I have seen that some of the guests, well, they have paid $500,000 to be part of the show. Now, X and the show producers don't seem to vet their guests very well at all. A couple of the guests on the show, a Dutch Mendenhall and Amy Vaughn, have been under investigation by state and federal regulators. Apparently, they had a private real estate investment trust, and investors, well, they unfortunately have appeared to have lost all their money, and no one really knows where the money went. Now they're on the show promoting investing in golf courses across the United States. I know some people will watch the show and get excited and then click on the invest button because of their emotions. The show is so full of hype that the producers on June 3rd sent out a promotional email via a mailing list that they had that began with FCNBC, forget Bloomberg, and ignore Fox. We are rewriting the rules. This is just crazy. It was just last week when I wrote about the high risk of alternative investments in private equity and private real estate, and here I see this show promoting to perhaps as many as 1 million people these risky investments. Unfortunately, some will probably take the bait, but don't let it be you. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and the weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.